Hey there, Disney fans! Welcome back to the QuizBot. Are you ready to test your Disney knowledge? Guess the iconic Disney characters from Emojis and spot the odd one out. With 36 exciting levels ranging from easy to hard, can you guess them all? Hit like and subscribe if you love Disney magic. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with an easy one. Look at these emojis. Who could this be? Aha! It's Joy from Inside Out. She's always full of happiness. Hooray! Now can you find the odd Joy among all these smiling faces? Look closely. Boom! There's the odd one. She looks slightly different. Well done. Yay! This one is tricky. Can you guess which Disney character these emojis represent? Wow, it's Mickey Mouse. The key and Mike hint at his name. Whoa! Time to spot the odd Mickey. Look at all these Mickey faces. One of them is slightly different. Can you find it? Aha! There it is. Great job, Disney expert. Hooray! This one is easy. A spider and a smiling guy. You got this. Boom! It's Spider-Man. Peter Parker is always ready to save the day. Spidey is here, but one of these Spider-Man faces is different. Can you find the odd one? Whoa, there it is. Great spotting skills. Look at these emojis, a Spider-Man mask and a scary mouth. Who is this? Aha! It's Venom, one of Spidey's most famous enemies. Can you find the odd one? Boom! You got it. That was tricky. Hooray! Here's a chili challenge. Who could this be? It's Olaf from Frozen. He loves warm hugs. Time for some winter fun. Among all these Olafs, one looks different. Can you find him? Boom! That was a cool find. Great job. Whoa! A mighty lion and a royal crown. Can you guess who this Disney character is? Aha! It's Mufasa from The Lion King. Well done. Time to spot the odd one. Look at all these Mufasas. One of them is slightly different. Can you find him? Boom! There he is. Great job, Lion King expert. Now guess the character from this illusion. Just squint your eyes and guess it. Well done. It is Stitch. It's Lilo and Stitch time, but can you find the odd one? Aha! That was tricky, but you found it. Well done. This one's familiar. Can you guess who it is? Boom! It's Mario. But wait, is he even from Disney? Haha, fun surprise. Yay, a bunch of Marios, but one of them doesn't match the rest. Can you find him? Whoa, that odd Mario had a different pose. Great job. Wow, more Marios. Can you find the one that stands out this time? Boom! You got it! This Mario face is winking. A serious-looking guy and a rubber duck. What Disney character could this be? Oh great, it is a Donald Duck. A mix of Donald Duck and Goofy emojis. But wait, one of them is different. Can you spot the odd one? Boom, there it is. This Donald Duck is different. Which Disney character does this remind you of? Aha! It's Moana. She's ready to sail across the ocean. Moana is everywhere. But wait, one of them looks a little different. Aha! There he is. Great eye. You're a true wayfinder. Let's guess this character from these clues. Boom! It's Snow White. Snow White is here, but wait, one of these Snow Whites looks a little off. Can you find her? Wow, that was a tricky one, but you got it. Well done. This is an easy one. Can you guess who? Yes, it's Winnie the Pooh, the cuddliest bear in the 100-acre wood. Pooh loves his honey, but one of these isn't like the others. Can you find the odd one? Aha, you found it. That's some sharp spotting. This looks familiar. Can you guess? Boom! It's Sonic the Hedgehog. He's fast, he's cool, and he loves collecting rings. Wow, Sonic is zooming everywhere, but one of them isn't quite right. Can you find him? Boom! There he is, super speed spotting. One of them stands out. Can you find it? Yes, you're catching Sonic faster than Dr. Eggman ever could. This one's tricky. Can you solve it? Boom! It's Woody from Toy Story. Yeehaw! Woody is here, but one of them looks a little different. Can you spot the odd one? Yes, you did it! That Woody is little angry. A colorful toy house with magic? Who could it be? Aha! It's the Buzz Lightyear from the Toy Story, to infinity and beyond. But wait, one Buzz looks a little off. Can you spot him? Aha! This Buzz is looking a bit sad. An elephant and a circus tent? That's easy. It's Dumbo, the flying elephant. All Dumbos are here, but one stands out. Can you find the odd one? A desert landscape forming a familiar face. Who could this be? Wow, it's the Minion. Banana-loving minions everywhere. But one is acting funny. Can you spot him before time runs out? Wow, that was magical. How many Disney characters did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fun challenge. Stay tuned for more exciting quizzes and brain-teasing games. See you in the next one.